A warm welcome to all my friends to my new channel Warriors Academy. Today I have come with a topic which was requested by many college going students to give a brief on the impact of COVID-19 on children. Impact of COVID-19 on children. As requested by the students, let us have an analysis how COVID-19 affected all over the world on children. You see, in any crisis situation, whether it is a natural disaster or pandemic, children, especially those who belong to socially and economically backward communities, end up becoming the most vulnerable demographic. Bearing this in mind, the UN has come up with a policy brief in wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. It examines some of the biggest challenges children are facing or likely to face in future. You see, all children of all ages in all countries are being affected in particularly by the socio-economic impacts and in some cases by mitigation measures that may inadvertently more harm than good. The UN also warns that the damage could be due to the following factors: falling into poverty, threats to child survival and health issues, changes in teaching learning crisis, risk to child safety, etc. The report also gives concern about how the closure of educational institutions in wake of the coronavirus impact the lives of children. This is a universal crisis and the impact may remain lifelong. We all know, as parents, teachers and elders, the children are missing a lot than any other age groups in various ways. They are unable to go to school and meet their friends. Here I would like to say something that some children go to school only to spend their time with their friends and engaging in games and other activities conducted by schools. But in the opposite, the other children who are very studious, they do not come to school regularly and they concentrate on their studies and they take absence. Their outdoor activities are restricted. Those who are pursuing for higher education, their future is also hampered and other activities are also affected in various ways. They become restless, anxious, worried and frustrated. Their attitude, behavior, character, daily routine, everything is changed. Although medical literature shows that children are minimally susceptible to coronavirus disease, but they are largely hit by psychological impact of this pandemic. Being quarantined in homes and institutions are imposing greater psychological burden on them than the physical sufferings caused by the virus. Many factors are pointed out by the medical literature with regard to children's anxiety. The factors may include school closure, lack of outdoor activities, aberrant dietary and sleeping habits, which are likely to disrupt their usual lifestyle and can potentially promote monotony, distress, impatience, annoyance, and various neuropsychiatric manifestations. Here we have to note that the incidence of domestic violence, child abuse, adulterated online contents are on rise. They are now addicted to more online activities at a very young age.
You see these pictures? These are those pictures related to the incident that take place around us every day. Just to see the situation, we must understand the emotional needs of most vulnerable children.
Now here comes how can we solve these problems and who are the people to help them. The parents, pediatricians, psychologists, social workers, hospital authorities, government and non-government organizations, teachers and other elders have a great role to mitigate the psychological ill effects of COVID-19 on children and adolescents. We have to conduct regular classes to them, have to counsel them, and put them in various fun activities to reduce their stress.
We can go through these pictures also. What do they teach us? It means that good parenting can help a lot to bring all the conditions under control.
I have done a very brief analysis on the topic the impact of COVID 19 on children with the hope that it might have helped you in a positive way. Thank you so much for your support. And if you have liked this video, please put your valuable suggestions through the comment box or through my email, which is attached in the description box. Thank you so much. Take care, all of you. Bye bye.